Hey everybody, wanted to show a couple of things from my session on May 24th, 2018. Some interesting things happened, and it really shows how you have to be able to instantly adjust to events in the market and not get flustered. Here we were around 9:40, 10 minutes into the open of the session. This is NQ. Started to see some real momentum picking up after this pullback to the swing area with a little push up. I got into this trade, and it was very obvious there was a lot of buying going on. YM was moving up. You can't see this 2-minute chart that well, but we had plenty of room before we hit some of the real highs. And this trade, and this is all in real time, by the way, trade's up $200, 20 ticks on two contracts of NQ. I'm feeling pretty good that it's going to hit my target. And again, my targets are usually pretty good. Anybody who's seen my videos knows generally I often can hit a target to the tick and then it'll reverse, because I'm pretty good at placing them in front of swing areas, minor pockets of support and resistance. Now look at this. Look how fast that reversed. I'm like, what's going on? I didn't pause or anything. I clicked, get the heck out of this trade. I lost 12 ticks or so after I was up, and I just said, hey, something's going on. It is ripping, I don't know what, but I'm going short. So you can see I did two things here. Okay, I got out of the trade that I was long in before it hit my stop by hitting the close manually. I re-entered going short. Now, a lot of people would be flustered and just sit there like a deer in headlights and take their full stop out and miss this momentum move. I very much trade strong order flow when it does things like this. This is the moments where the market tips its hand. Okay, it tells you people are selling. Now, I found out a few minutes later on my live squawk, it's a little newswire thing, that Trump had just announced to North Korea that he wasn't going to have the summit. This upset the market apparently. So now that I've got that, I can see there's so much momentum. It hasn't hit a support. I'm not going to wait for much of a pullback. This is the little pullback we got here, a little bounce off of some of this price congestion. And I'm thinking I want to get back short, take a little more out of this before we hit an area of serious support, because there's not a lot of support here and it's ripping. So I jump right back in. My stop loss is above this support level here, resistance I guess I should say. And I saw that I didn't really want to hold this too long because I didn't know how far we're going to go, and bang, I take another quick little 20 tick scalp. So again, this is when something is really happening, and NQ makes, believe it or not, moves like this fairly often. A lot of people, they don't know how to handle that. And again, I know we're going to be short for some time. If you watch NQ, it can move hundreds of ticks when an event like this happens. And to be honest, I like this sort of thing. I'm not playing much in the way of breakouts these days. When price is moving, kind of trapped in a range and then it breaks out. Why not? Well, maybe it breaks out, but a lot of breakouts fail. There's a lot of speculation. I'm not interested these days in trading anything that I'm sitting there going, I wonder if it's like a reversal. When we play a reversal, often it's against a trend and we think, well, it's hit the support or resistance, it's reversing, especially in the early stages when a lot of people try to hop on board a reversal, except for maybe a small scalp, which I'm not really interested in. The reversal might be a bounce. Maybe it reverses, maybe it bounces. Again, unless it proves to me it's reversed, and then it started a new trend, it's given me an initial impulse wave, then maybe I'll try to get in on a little retracement and go in that new direction. Now here we can see price is pulling back. this is all in real time, to this swing area where I had my stop above, if you remember in the last trade. And my idea was if it fails to get through here and shows some real downward momentum again, I'm not going to hesitate. I'm going to enter short again and take a scoop a little bit more out of this market. So my point is, I'm looking for those brief moments where there's absolutely no doubt the sellers have come in or the buyers have come in, and I'm looking for a way to finesse in there. Here we go. I hit sell, bang, and again, not looking for a big trade here, just like maybe a 20 tick pop, because we never know if it's going to get through this. No heavy lifting required. And bang, another 20 ticks, another $200, and that's it. The day's done. I'm not going to go back in and try to make more and more and more. Market gave me a nice momentum move. Am I going to go play a reversal now or some breakout or some range play or one of those things? No, because I'm gambling at that point. I got what I call the closest thing to a sure thing trades. Right now, opening half hour, opening 10, 20 minutes, high volume, something happened, took advantage of it, and that's it. All right.